Check, everybody. This is your boy Gangsta. You're tuning into Vibes Friday. The whole gang in the building. But tonight episode we're gonna call it a culture shock. But for right now, Rumbass International is in the building. The party ones and twos. May I pass the talk phone to Nate enough and make them go and work. They have 10 minutes for one opinion. And we're just gonna get straight to the activities. Alright? Let's go! Yeah. Ready now. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. Let's kick it off. Ready now, weekend style.
Don't stop right on it, no take time on it. From me, spam it up in a belly, just like on it. Love on your mind on it, she been your right on it. Up on your back and then me turn up on your side. Mommy, you need the vibes, just do anything you like. You know, follow me, think it deep like Titanic. I give me love.
Yeah. Tune into the live. We live. YouTube, you know the live.
Let me fall in love with you. I make you stop fucking you. Get up if you can't come possible. I make you stop fucking you. Tell me love when you turn back way. Yeah. Tell me love when you turn back way.
Ready now, big second, go.
Make her get wild and misbehave. Open up like a book like 50 Shades.
Ladies,
and kiss
the
the
weekend
ear.
Friday.
Take a boy, get wild, 50 gear. No discussion. If I know the G, then I Russian. Yeah, something with substance. Yeah.
One time.
Chapter 1. Baby, I'm if you be your man. Some bad position and tell you to move your hand. Fit true. Picture we in a chapter 2. From the bed to the balcony to top of your roof, you know see. Nobody not doing like me. Chop on your G, wake up chapter 3 and 4. Have your full attention now. So put a number in on my phone, cause I don't wanna just a book by the cover. But we have to see a bend over. For you, I'm falling. Yeah, baby, them girls say you're freaking. Wanna keep your secrets. You got me falling. Love story.
Russian, get it total, man, get it total. That's this me. You coulda give your life to Jesus. I work with spirit. It's either my way or highway. Girl, me just to make things real clear. Look on us how we go feelings. Who tell us me wall? Baby, me just want a one and one. Your choice if you want in the sun. Keep your heart, I'm not ready for circle down. Your friend I move like she woulda make you put you on.
Ready. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. You know, courtesy of the Live Vibes TV crew, Rumbass International here. We got fire there, everybody good. On this Vibe Friday, we're talking to all the people that know that they can enjoy themselves. You see the real life? Sing!
I believe in a time of God. But when you act too nice, that go around you, some man did that for move while I'm bad. Face me never hide from that. Seal line them never tell life about that. No lie people come up burn night bad. Me would drink and you see all like ganja. Defend my money cause I'm my damn bag. I'm gonna shoot any pussy on the I'm here I'm proud of myself, me I come from far. People class me as done spot dog. I see I'm done spot got funds and cars. So you want judgment cause man come from me ghetto did broke like that. Money they I know and we are upstand that. Yeah, we did it. Look on the life we live in. One M.I.M. a millions in minutes.
Vibes Friday, you know the vibes. Yeah man, we do that. Watch out now, everybody know the vibes Friday, each and every Friday, Live Vibes
Okay,
TV,
let's go.
alongside Rumbass International. Oh, that fire, boss. Everything good.
every night to make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice. Rewind, girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're loving every night to make you mad. Now only you give me love.
World big. Right now, everybody went to the catch up vibe. Catch up vibe. World big. How would that? That's about that. How would that? Stop, go, wait a minute. Stop, go.
Yo, it's Jay. Link in bio.
Designer expensive, watch a car, see a chase, this is from far, make you like an air. Where we go, shot, feel fit, pussy, and you're done. Spice, kill and
Like I said, it's Friday, Vibes Friday. Before we step into this weekend, let's talk to God real quick. In front of our Father God, we want today here right now. Everybody on the live, if you know you give thanks for the start of this weekend, sing!
well, today is a big day.
Oh gosh!
Give thanks a lot. All praises to the Lord, my Savior, my sanctified.
Vibes Friday!
I make them stress me.
Each and every Friday.
The whole of
You know you're happy to be here again this Friday. Sing something like this. Everybody say. Sing.
I love my life. I love my life.
We love the vibes.
I love my life.
We love the vibes. Everybody tune in on the stream right now. Sing this.
No, we don't know when tomorrow might bring for the future. The hours away. So me, I live my life today. Me, I live my life today.
Vibes Friday. Sing this.
So long me let the talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say.
We here. It's a Friday. Start of the weekend. Let's load up the weekend the right way. Everybody start singing. We love our life. We love the vibes. We love the vibes.
So me, I live my life today.
We love the vibes. We love the vibes. We love the vibes. Everybody on the street, ready now.
Work every day till the weekend. After turn it up on the weekend. But I toast to your weekend. Tell me why you're drinking, girl. Good time,
Everybody on the live stream, say
I grew up in a Rizla. Hennessy, we a drink and a beat couple sizzler. All a wind up like a window. Jamie drive her crazy but she a no passenger. Me no smell like ginger. Couple beer, champagne, shots of tequila. When me click one finger, me make the album click like ninja. Time bonus split and say clear man. Me have weed up every time. Brother, New York or Trinidad line. Y'all a follow one in a line. One relax, pump happy front seat when the beam a recline. So this is the design. So
Vibes Friday. Let me kick it up. Everybody know. Alright then. Yes, the one you're reaching a live vibes.
The party no to flow, people over. Tell a pool on the mic and tell a no. My party from road to Anova.
When you party with the live vibes crew, what you gonna say?
The party I go to champagne.
Who's that your pocket selector?
Straightness.
You know the vibes. Each and every Saturday, sold out Saturdays, the Cottage Bar and Grill. Don't forget about Three Little Birds. You know, say fire boss, I control over this, so the modest way, the craziest way. Watch out now, everybody say.
The party I book you for. Champagne just a bubble up. Me and the girl them a pull low. Me phone jack me no pick it up. Right now me no give a fuck. The party I book you for. Champagne just a bubble up. Me and the girl them a pull low. Baby, bend over for your drink and pick it up. Me like a Jim the record, Jim the record, and Jordan. Well, exit me out then to the car, me a go enter the party, to the bar, me a go
Yeah. Yes, so we read. Vibes Friday, watch out.
One man a set just peel off and bust it. Now the dance, my youth, better well you come. Can't make the dance done too early. You know, see sexy girls a come over. My girl rest her head on me shoulder. Brace for me, bend you up like a folder. Wanna left out of that road. Not pressure nobody that time. Is that right? It's okay, you can live if you want to live. You get your baby never answer. Is that right? It's okay, waste my time. Girl, I know you want to go all alone. Suppose me tell them this is sitting just like your own. So that I need to see inside my phone. Then put that thing on and draw.
So what you do there?
Everything gonna make sense soon. Get that band-aid and put it over the wound. Tell them yellow moon.
Vibes Friday, what's the for the weekend like this? Ready now.
No man don't perfect, no we have our vices and our plans. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pass. Even if I fumble, don't have just yet young boss in charge. Man born to do this task. You wanna day of the yard. Give me no talk, me want it fast. Let's up my school and straight up it on a pass. No give me no talk, young lad. Jump like the aircraft, push start and it take off. No give me no talk, me want it fast. Pistol on my waist, so better give me when me ask. No, me not talk, young boss.
Sit down. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. You know you got the good stuff. You start at the liquor store before you got home. You start to visit the weed man before you got home. You know it's the weekend. Vibes Friday, we right here each and every Friday. So let me tell you how we gonna kick it off. Ready?
I just fly like the bird and the bees them. Oh, that's cheap and the need them. Ever seen them, the new Louis V them. When I spend the money like they going on the trees them. Money on the freedom. I just want to chase the dreams and to get rich like Greg Million, squeeze them. Got a car, got a whole everybody going to
Fucking boss. Me over. Pull the case on the people. Pull it in a face and a feel. Left shell on the street. Make base on the seat. Go down with the world to go sleep. Empty the Mac 19 on your face and dance. So real bad man kill them. Police come find them dead on the street like that. Them man rifle a sting them. Day one step up, why day one? Pussy man a bad from day one. But out them made me no spear man. When my rifle a spray like Dagan.
You know the killing them start tell one to the contact.
With the vibes, yeah?
Tell someone you don't try but
Pick up the time. Watch out now, ready? Select one more song, one more song.
Funny blood in a million. Batman lay a stem this way.
When we see it, I like the water, Janani.
Pretty girl roll up, shooting me shot like a man.
Watch out now.
Amount of girl me have, yeah.
Number don't lie.
Amount of matic me know, yeah.
Vibes Friday, don't kick it up right now.
Amount of respect we have, yeah. Number don't lie. And you put yourself on the first.
Vibes Friday, ready now.
Be the new year, money I'm a want be the new year.
Watch them, watch it dance out there, oh gosh. So ready,
Elon Musk, me want money like Elon Musk. Elon Musk, me want richer than Elon Musk. For the new year, money I'm a want for the new year. Explode like the new year.
Yeah. Each and every Friday, you guys know the vibes. We're right here with the Live Vibes crew. You know the thing said. This is Live Vibes TV. Live Vibes TV. I'm going to say it one more time for the people them we around our part whenever hear it. Live Vibes TV. You don't know the vibes. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. We not do too much talking. Yo, girl is Jay, Dr. Sour, doing the thing.
Dr. Sour. It's been a minute, right?
You don't know?
Motherfucking no, man. Oh, yeah, I had to take some time off. I needed a minute to myself. That's really what it was about, bro.
Yeah, but you see right now, like we said, we're back again yesterday. Whole studio full up. The whole gang is in the building. We still have missed some people. Them say me fire them, but them not really. And them really take absence and leave, you know. Me not see them
Nah,
from
they on a hiatus right now. They on a hiatus.
Yeah.
That's what we gonna call it. This is a hiatus.
So Bucky, the people, the people them
That's
ask
what it
you.
was.
But like I said, this is the boy Gallus J.
Not the Sour, man.
And we now with the whole gang. We don't know Rumbas International Pony Ones and Fuse. Bucky in a chat.
Oh!
And you say we are chatting. Oh, in a chat. Oh, you're there. Alright, I'm glad you're there. Cause we
Yeah,
are
tell them to
chatting.
pull up. Make a guest appearance, man.
Yeah, so like we say you're there with Rumbas International. You don't know, so them just fuck up in here. Like every other place. And if you want to catch them, if you're in town in Rochester, tomorrow night at the cottage. What the address for the cottage? The 1155 South Primus, Rumbas International live every Saturday night. We over
Honestly, if you're in Rochester anywhere on the weekend, man, you just pull up somewhere. They're gonna be there, yo.
Yeah.
These motherfuckers be everywhere. Everywhere.
You know, say, me feel like
It don't even gotta be yard spots though. They be everywhere, yo. They be at R&B events. They be at hip hop events. Everywhere, yo.
you know what stuff though? I feel like for one of the youngest, newest sound in town, that's already doing their own events too. That's something that I noticed that, yep, you know? Just saying that. But like we said, we are talking about everybody in the building got something going on that we're gonna shout at right now. So as again last week, you see some of the guests on the show. My boy Q, I can't remember your Instagram name. QJ Diamond on IG and Tree. You don't know the dogs in there, the bad mechanic them in that place, and don't know the DJ and bad DJ Fire Boss. I think he make one appearance before and after that him get rich. But it like outside get cold and him say, you know, I'm gonna chill. I see what the dogs might do over at studio tonight. So, and another special guest we having on the show like about 2 or 3 times before. You don't know the big bad artist, Aaron Vibes.
He the whole reason we got a guitar sitting over there still.
Type shit. Right. Maybe my freestyle or something look more later. But like tonight, yeah, we're there with a whole bunch of vibes. Tonight lineup we're gonna share our opinion on the different how we gonna call that?
We calling this Culture Shock Fridays because honestly, it's questions that we got about people that came over here that wasn't born here.
Yeah.
It's questions that we have for even some of the women that's in the building. We got some women in the building too.
Yeah, they got my audience.
We want to see what they go through a little bit. Yeah. We got questions about what they go through. We're gonna get to that later though.
Yeah, and definitely we're gonna talk about the age difference.
It's some age differences in here.
Yeah. I feel like age come with some of the culture shocks too. All right. So before we get into that, let's give a quick shout out to a couple of our sponsors. Just shout out to One Love Window Cleaning.
Always One Love Window Cleaning, man. All In Podcast Network. Without him, we wouldn't have been here to begin with.
Yeah, definitely shout out to Mr. All In, and definitely give another shout out to D&K Catering.
D&K Catering always, man. Shout out to Shirt Boss, man.
Yeah, and definitely a shout out to the whole Live Vibes family. And definitely give a shout out to not a sponsor, but tonight, Mix It Up Fridays at Condado.
Condados.
Yeah, Condados. Yeah.
Say it for us. Condados. I said that shit right. Yeah, I ain't Spanish, but I know that shit. Condados, yo. I know I said it right, yo.
Right.
Yeah, Condados, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said,
Shouts out to Fire Kid.
Yeah,
man.
definitely tonight. Mix it up Fridays. Yeah.
What's my other DJ Max, right?
Yeah,
DJ Max.
we don't know.
Shouts out to
Someone
them.
started
Yeah.
Yeah, so shout out to our sponsors and our homies and all that stuff that got stuff going on tonight. And before we get anywhere, give a toast to the weekend and we get the ball rolling.
I mean, I ain't did this in a long time, man.
All right.
Everybody cups up.
If you're in the chat, keep your
Everybody in the
cups
chat, cups up. If you got a blunt, put that spliff in the air.
All right. So
if you don't smoke, you don't drink, just put your hand in the air, man. 'Cause what we toasting to, man?
Like we said, we was here last week and we're here again this week. For that, we thank God. And another toast for everybody that's in attendance right now.
Everybody whose birthday it was or it is coming up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we definitely got some birthdays. Yeah, some birthdays over there.
Yeah, we got. No, them two right here. Them two right
Both
here.
of them. Oh yeah, Aquarius in the building. Okay.
Alright, so shout out to everybody celebrating. Alright.
Ketchup? Oh, I ever seen a ketchup in the air. That's some shit.
So, first and foremost, I think earlier before the show, before we started the live, we was having a conversation about just the difference with our slang or what they call it, vernacular
differences
and the
verbiage.
Yeah, because this guy said what he said earlier. What the word he used earlier?
Something about your scarf looking like that, yo.
What he said earlier? No, what Pop said earlier? Well, what the fuck the word he said? No.
Oh, gigolo. I said
gigolo. Yeah, gigolo.
I said gigolo. That's what it was. I said gigolo. Yeah. Instead of saying prostitute.
Yeah. Who says that?
I mean, it's alright, man. I can see that, man. I've been outside for a little bit, man. I ain't gonna lie. I've been outside for a little bit, man. I mean, I might know a few of y'all aunties. I ain't gonna lie, man.
Oh God Almighty! Oh God Almighty!
Hey.
And that is no joke. This nigga's a vampire. I was talking about the Asian part.
Hey, listen.
I was talking about the Asian part, but
we gonna skate past that.
Yeah, let's skip. So with some of the what do you call it, the vernacular.
Some of the slang differences between all of
let's since you walk with Jesus, let's start from your time, and then once they get up to where we cross paths, once they come up to where decades meet, then we'll take it from there.
So what I used to call some of y'all aunties was my bottom bitches, and so from there.
All of my auntie them there Jamaica, so I don't even talk.
Okay.
I
forgot people family watch this show. I forgot people family watch this show. I've been drinking. My apologies. Yo, now. Yeah, the liquor made me ignorant. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yo,
and what's the meaning of what the fuck?
Hold
up. What is the meaning of that?
Nah, all right. So I got one for us. If you gonna pull a gun up out of somebody, what would you say? What? You older than me, motherfucker. I do that.
No, you said. I think you said. I thought he was asking about his time.
Nah, son. What would you say?
I don't get. Hey, don't move. I don't know.
This is somebody who never pulled a gun on somebody before, right here. That's how I feel like. That's letting us know that right there.
I can't. At this time, how it's freezing outside, I am not claiming that.
I'll give an example. I feel like the younger generation, and it may not be your generation, but I feel like at one point, and we were talking about this, we're saying, I'm gonna up this pole. And I feel like that sound wild, saying up this pole, but I feel like that's...
We don't want to do it.
I don't want to do it. I'm saying the younger generation was saying that, yo.
No generation.
I'm about to up the pole. I'm about to up this pole on you.
No generation need to say that.
Y'all never heard that before? I'm the only one who heard that before.
Yeah, I heard that before. You hear that before?
Robot.
I heard that before, but the
and you never heard anybody say that when they was referring to pulling a gun on somebody. Okay, I got you. Something from my generation.
On you? Not me.
Not on me, but you heard somebody say that.
Say it to somebody else.
Yes. Thank you. You know, another one. I'm about to go pop the trunk.
Yeah, I never heard that one.
Don't nobody say that no more. Nobody say I'm about to go pop the trunk. Exactly. So what is said nowadays?
Alright, bitch.
That's valid. That's valid. That's valid. Ain't no words. It's no words no more.
To be honest.
I'm about to fire you down. That's some different shit.
I just you put your name on.
That's it. All right. All right, so to tell me some slang that y'all feel like is different from some of the things we discussed earlier. What do y'all believe?
I guess the slang for that now is
The bottom bitch ain't your wife, man. That's not what a bottom bitch is. Yeah, that's not a bottom bitch.
I don't know. That's why I asked you what it meant.
A bottom bitch is the one who sticks around no matter what. It's basically a side bitch. I said a side bitch. A side bitch that stay around. A side piece. Your side piece and your wife is two different things.
But I feel like that even them is
There you go. Delusional is a good term, yo.
What you say?
What do y'all say? What do women say? What do y'all say?
You are going like semi, they are prison like semi.
That's his side. That's what I'm saying. That's his side.
But she would be the back of condom.
That's his side piece. That's what's staying around no matter what you got going on. So it's a side piece now. Your bottom bitch is a side piece now.
This makes speed for me swinging with
Do y'all got a different term for side piece?
Them go close to the bench just spark and a figure girl a throw to circle like sharp, like sharp, like sharp.
Thank you. That is
Well, me don't have no term for that.
my fault.
I have no bottom bitch.
Have you never have? That's why you can have conversations like this, yo. Because you don't want to keep it real, yo.
No, we can't talk because I cannot come. We can't see me experience that because Jamaican men don't. So,
all right, let's move on to the next term, then, man. What's the next term you got, yo?
Alright, what's up? No point in time for the next one call me his nigga. I am nobody.
That was a good one. That was what we talked about earlier. Yeah, that's my nigga. Yeah, that's my nigga right there.
No, never.
the
My
man's
man.
part,
What about my boy? Yeah, that's my boy. So what do you say?
Bro, wagwan, bro.
That's my bro.
Just the my part.
And now see, on the flip side of the dog part, I feel like calling me a dog is calling me an animal. And I respect what you said earlier by is dog is backwards, but I'm not ain't nothing backwards over here. So so I'm not your dog. But I understand where y'all coming from. So like that's a cultural difference right there. Because I feel like when it comes to Jamaicans or West Indians in general, my dog, yeah, that's my dog. Yo, dog.
I feel like back then they still said dog though.
No, we didn't. Not when I was growing up. My DMX came up off of that. DMX did come up off of that.
Well, yo,
but DMX also came up with my niggas.
Alright, my father.
DMX is
I
like,
heard that a few
well, no,
times.
certain people, it depends on who y'all call father. Like, you walk up to an elder person, you show respect, but it's not your uncle. You see me? Yo, father.
on the flip side of that,
But I heard it for the bros.
on the flip side of that, son, we say son.
I ain't crying though.
That's my son. That's my son. Yo, that's my son right there. Yo, that's my son.
Yeah.
I feel like that term is for somebody who you respect, give a certain amount of respect. It's her father, right?
And like I said, on the flip side is son. Yo, that's my son right there, yo.
Only way we love our father with a single love father.
Alright, so offset, please. That's your input, please. No, please. No, I'm sorry. Besides that, yo, as Jamaican men, what is one of y'all culture shocks when y'all first came over here? When y'all first got here? Well, I'm assuming that most of y'all were not born here, or was okay. So, or maybe not even raised here. If you were not born here or raised here, what was something that you came over here and you was like, yo, this is way different than where I'm from? Give me something specific.
This a survival story. You get a story. This is my story. You get a story.
I say the restrictions.
I remember those
like
days
what?
when hell was nice. When me and mama played was a big piece of fun. And me never like paid and my ear never come. When mama gonna work me go street go young. I remember when Danny them let me smoke down and kick me together them kick up your room. I remember when we visit them with pure big stone and the white and the pop out so we went for the chrome. I remember when we run but I get him knees down and my best friend Richie get
Yeah, I feel like that's
you go outside
but that's the same time.
We got the kingdom. Them out a lot now. Me squeeze 7 and the wall of them I don't know.
Yeah, I can't know that because I grew up playing basketball in the middle of the street. And when the car came back, you had to stop playing. When the car came, you had to stop.
Boy, you
Yeah, we used to hoop in the middle of the street on a regular basis though. So I don't know if I could. You different than me, but I know that I can't accept that because we play sports in the street.
Lift me name now like a king. Tell her lift up them skirt, what a ding. Boy, you big and get hurt, shut up fling. I know me alone at the world that I sing. No money, no cocky that I sing. Bad, get a bam, pop a pin, what a pin. No one see the black a win, cash a swing. Bed never have a proper spring, fuck a pool. By a beach, me mama swim, mill a school. And teach you some other thing. Shift up, boy, you no matter how you follow him. Yeah, I watch him on gathering. Black man a king.
I get that. I got a question for you about that though. Now, it's a lot of older Jamaicans that I know that don't drive at all. Culture different. Why is that? Because niggas in Jamaica drive crazier than the motherfuckers. That's real.
Extremely focused when I'm stroking. I bet I get you open. I leave your head more broken. You think I'm joking? I bet I get you open.
Freedom? What type of freedom? What do you mean by freedom?
Me nah go separate my bullets from my God now.
Like, yeah, I could say, yo, I'm going.
Some of them are ring bang baba dibi dem baba me name Beanie Man. Something like one anyway there. Me nah go separate my bullets from my God now.
Mine was the freedom.
Some of them are ring bang baba me name Beanie Man. Something like one anyway there. Me nah go separate my bullets from my God.
That's the same here, though. That's the same. That was the same, yo, because my mother wasn't letting me go to nobody's house without knowing their parents, without talking to their parents to make sure it's okay for me to go there. Now, if I'm just going just to go, if I'm outside playing and I go to somebody's house, that's one thing. But like if we going to stay the night at somebody's house, we going across town somewhere, my mom want to know their parents, she want to make sure their parents is transported.
That's not a thing for us. And it's a family. And a specific family.
Okay.
Trying to be nice to you.
I can do that. Yeah, holidays is very. A lot of the holidays are very Americanized. I can say that. It's commercialized because it's all about money. It's all about money. A lot of the holidays are very commercialized. So what's some of the holidays that you feel like that are? I mean, aside from Christmas, which is commercialized around the world in general, I feel like. Okay.
Everybody don't know World Band Program. What up? One of me does say, me no fi bother with the
Y'all don't celebrate this in Jamaica. Y'all celebrate Thanksgiving though? Exactly. It's an American holiday.
They a prison like semi in a horizon. Backsteel,
Yeah, back
but she
home.
road with a pack of condom. Cause you know say me get pussy anywhere me walk. I mean, no one be say I go to a girl. I'm a style, I'm a smile,
Shit,
I'm a
nigga,
pretty
now.
singer.
Nigga, now.
We spend
Yeah, what's going on, see?
Last
thing is Americanized, like, yo, so.
Then go you say the Benz just park and a big girl a circle like shark.
Money is money, yo. That's what it is. Money is money at the end of the day. Yeah, but that transmission culture bring in money too. You gotta think about when them holidays start popping more, people start spending more money at different. The economy goes up. Bro, and it's putting money into the economy. Elaborate. No gifts or nothing?
No gifts. That's the gift. Food and fun.
Everybody come and link up. We got like Grand Market.
And then
It's not about, oh, we done this, man, I didn't get this. What? I told my mom I wanted a new game and she got me clothes. You need clothes, nigga. I'll be grateful. You know what I'm saying?
and then we have
Bro, you get the candy for Christmas, bro. Look at your
yeah the
Christmas, big candy.
Niggas is ungrateful. I will say that. Niggas is ungrateful as shit.
and then you have grandma too.
But I also, I definitely believe that's definitely in your family too. That's very much a family thing, yo.
Yeah, every the whole
And then after Grand Market, the football will play for the Sunday.
Alright, the next thing though that's different is the school system. School is way more easier.
Hell yeah!
Oh, it's no respect. It's no respect, yo.
Bro, like y'all don't have no man. That shit shocked the
Bro,
shit
if
out of
every
me.
time
and no matter how much I would try to feel like I want to do that, my heart couldn't let me.
Yo, suppose they go call my mother and tell me that's the first thing
No,
that comes
but
to your mind. First thing that popped into my mind was anything else goes.
No, but it's not even that though. But because it instilling out if you never disrespect the adult.
Yes, yes. But you know what? So
I'm not gonna lie. Up until I got here, that's what my mindset changed was when I got here. It made me more outspoken. So, what you call the adult. But before that, I would have never thought to.
You could never talk back to an adult.
Yeah, I would. I wouldn't even.
I will say that. I cannot disagree with that at all.
Yeah.
What I will say though too is that it's also a lot of times it's family differences too though, which means like because I got family from the South too, so it's definitely where you was brought up. I know that when I was younger, when I was early in high school, I went to private school. I went to a Catholic school, matter of fact.
Rich.
Not shit. You call it what you want, yo. I had a basketball scholarship, so it was whatever.
Rich.
Yeah, you call it. Yeah. I'm about to say, yo, it is what it is. But all of that happened, and then I went to public schools, and I saw the way they was because I ended up going to public schools to graduate from, and I saw the differences in it and everything. They was calling a teacher by their first name. It wasn't no Mr. or Mrs. nothing. They was just calling them their name. They was just calling, and I was like, that, like you said, that was a culture shock to me. I was like, damn.
I need help. Like,
Or they wouldn't even say Mr. or Mrs. such and such. They just be like Miss. Hey yo, Miss.
Hey yo, Miss.
Hey yo, Miss. Hey yo,
I
Miss.
feel like that's bad disrespect.
That's hella disrespectful, yo. It's mad stuff like that, bro. I cannot disagree with you on that, yo.
My next said, excuse me, I forgot your
Yes, it was. The respect that they hold for elders is different. I definitely give you that.
One of my weirdest experiences was when I was in high school. I was like calling like the teacher like Miss and Sir. It was like, no, call me by my regular name. That was like That was like weird to me. Like Shipper usually do that shit. Bro. Like, every time I call Shipper, like sir, it was like, no, come by my name.
Sir, man. I think that was the difference for y'all too.
Yeah.
But another part that I feel like that goes with what you were saying too is like from day one in school, y'all wearing uniforms. Y'all, everything is set up for y'all. The education is first for y'all. For us, education is first. But if we have public schools, it wasn't none of that.
I'm glad you brought that up. Let me tell
I had to wear uniforms when I went to private school. When I went to public schools, it wasn't none of that.
What was you saying?
Yeah.
You see the uniform thing? That's one of the things that fucking pissed me off the most. That's why I miss Jamaica about you. You see me come here to go to school? Me never wash so much clothes in my life. Oh God almighty. Me never know so me walk clothes up. I swear. Me miss uniform, yo. Fuck!
My uniforms and then regular like casual clothes and road clothes, bro.
But Nate, imagine.
Yeah. All everything. Everything.
Nate, imagine.
Bro, you can't have no good clothes.
This was the big. That as you talk about the uniform, that's what I miss.
Said in Jamaica, you can have a closet, all the good clothes, like going out clothes.
Because you only going out like 2 Saturdays out the month.
If you have to wear it out of school. And what's bro? When your mother, alright, come from a yard now. Alright, your parents then come from a yard. I buy you the peeler shoes and the this and the that, bro. Y'all got everybody else up on the Jordan and them on the this and the bro. What? Hell nah, everybody.
My only way I can vouch for Jordans is because I'll never forget. My mother bought me Jordans up until they got too expensive. My feet got too big. But once I turned 14 and I was old enough to work, my mother was like, nah, your feet too big, yo. I'm not buying you no shoes no more, yo. You can buy your own shoes, yo. Yo, but also my last name Jordan too though, so you know what I'm saying? It kind of played a part, yo. I had to flex a little bit.
Me never. The shoes game never really bothered me. Cause my sense, when me in high school, I dress shoes me every. So
that's why you still dress like that.
My swag they turn up different in high school, so me never. Like when I was going down the hallway in high school, niggas started.
Y'all had to wear them ugly ass scarves too.
No, just from the side of my shoes. Just from the side of my shoes, bro. They niggas be like, yo, in the t-shirt. Come on, that's against the sneakers.
So that scarf pissing me off.
No, but them time they need, remember, so this what happened, no, I not even that no car. When we transitioned in our brother, it was like from, when we there at Jamaica, you know, the lifestyle, when my mother did give me and my brother, bro, we never need nothing. Nothing. No, but let me try to show you, but this our fool, you know. When you are cutting up. Mama said, give me tell you a thing along like that. And then I pick no whole heap of clothes. We go over there, go buy clothes. We clothes bad. They got me on go carry 3 good outfits. I said, shopping! That's the one we forward. Oh God Almighty.
Wait. Before them, that's summer.
Summer. So,
coming in winter.
No, but I mean, I couldn't a straight be a white t-shirt where I go up and down the store go buy a beat the whole summer that got, you know, and the top out shirt them, the little MMA shirt them, we sell at the dollar store. That's all we was rocking, nigga, until we was able to figure out where the mall and shit was. I said that.
Hey yo, keep it real. It was a time where you could get away with white. You can get away with a white tee now. Like a white tee is the easiest thing to get away with, yo.
No, but that's how it was.
You can't beat a white t-shirt, yo. You can, yeah. All right, now speaking of culture shocks and different cultures and everything, man. You know, right now in this country, we dealing with ice. That's a real thing right now.
The frozen water.
Yeah, I mean it's cold as a bitch outside, so we definitely deal with that too.
The frozen water.
But we dealing with the enforcement of ice. How y'all feel about Nicki Minaj showing up with Trump the other day? What y'all think of that? Cause I feel like I definitely feel like it's back because she's scared of ice, but.
Alright, so they got ties with, I think it's Trinidad. They got ties with Trinidad, so her doing that is kind of like doing it for the country.
Oh, see, I didn't notice. Go ahead, elaborate, please. Please.
They're not on the ban.
Trinidad is not on the ban.
Yeah.
So for her doing that put her not a. So if it was a Spanish person or a Mexican I got there and did that, they wouldn't be on the ban list either?
It depends on how much play they have in the country.
They're not on the ban list.
Oh, they were already not. So she's just doing it off the strength.
Who?
Christine.
That makes no sense. How does she represent? Who is she? She's married to a pedophile, and her brother is a rapist, and.
Well, maybe they help Uncle Danny.
What does that have to do with Donald Trump?
Donald Trump is everything.
He does have his own Bible out, so I guess that makes him a Christian. He definitely got his own Bible out. Donald Trump, yes, he has a Bible out.
But listen, I think the reason why Nicki Minaj is because we didn't have this conversation right now. Because why else would we be talking about politics if Nicki Minaj wasn't doing what she was doing?
But there's a positive and a negative to it though too. And I feel like it falls more in the negative category than it does a positive. Because all publicity isn't good publicity.
It's because it is publicity. It's just like, why else would we care if it wasn't like a shock to us?
How does that make you feel about her now though? I mean, Kanye says slavery was a choice, but he had an album about to drop. Right when the album about to drop.
But
right when he about to drop music. Not recently, more so recently not. But it was all before. It was always right before the album dropped.
We can't be hypocritical when it comes to bettering our family life. You're not thinking about the
conversation we had earlier.
We can't be hypocrites because if you had the chance to do that, if I had the chance to be able to be something like Park and make sure all of us are good, I'm going to do that.
On the flip side, conversation we had earlier about how in America it's more of a selfish thing. It's more so we have that type of thought. I'm thinking more for my immediate family, the people that's immediately in this room right now. My boys, my dogs, everybody in this room right now. I'm thinking more so that my family. But instead, I'm sorry, hold on, one second. Instead of more so the generational reach of it, instead of the generational reach, I'm thinking for the now and not the later. And a lot of people in America think more for the now. I have an 8-year-old son. Everything I do right now is for him. I'm not thinking about the generations that come after. I mean, yes, I want to build generational wealth and all that, but immediately what I'm doing for right now is for this little man right here, right now.
But that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
It's for what my family is doing. For the next person is not going to do it for you.
So what is her benefit for that is my question then.
What is not her benefit?
Her benefit is that she's a rap artist and she has an album about to drop. She needs sales. She needs people to support her. She needs people. She had the whole fan base that she's losing out on now. You need streams. People ain't gonna fuck with you because of stuff like that.
You gotta think about it. You gotta see what position she's put herself in. She don't need the stream. You gotta think about the most people who is going to stream in America is going to be the people who is watching her on that stage, who is the fans of that.
I disagree. As the majority, I disagree for that as the majority. I'll say.
Nicki Minaj fan is going to stream her regardless. She don't need no fans.
You don't believe that she lost fans because of that? You don't believe that she lost any fans because of that? That's insane. You don't think that?
You don't think Nicki
Her fans bigger than them? Nicki Minaj?
They're not Beyonce fans. If I can see if you said Beyonce. Beyonce fans is gonna stand by her no matter what.
But we can't say that for one and not for the next. The thing is, it's not that she's doing the right thing nor the wrong thing. Like I said, we can't be hypocritical. If we were able to make sure our family is good, we're going to make that move. We're not thinking about the whole of America because the whole of America is greasy. Because we're coming from a country to where we can think about like, oh, let me look out for this one, this one, this one, this one. They like, I'm gonna look out for myself. She's still Caribbean, so she is doing what she's doing for her country. I can't be mad at that.
I feel like a sellout. Personally, I feel like it's a sellout move, yo. So you said that Trinidad was already on the list where they have to worry about it.
They don't have to worry about it.
You said they no matter they was good regardless. They was already good. So how is what she doing benefiting Trinidad at all?
How is it not? It's just like.
How is it?
All right, it's not that.
If they were already good and already on that list, how is this benefiting them even more?
All right, remember when it's like, oh, we got someone next to Trump. They're not on the band. Oh, we said that we were gonna side with him, we're gonna do whatever.
Do you believe that they wanted to side with him regardless? That they wanted to side?
It don't matter. It's just like imagine siding with him and not being. I can't fully speak. You see what I'm saying? It's just like you can come over here. You can get.
But they had that already. Without that.
No, not saying that you have it already. It's just like not saying that you. It's the showing like, hey, you support me, I support you. It's like, hey, Trinidad is with me. I can't fully speak like I have all the information, so I might be speaking wrong.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
I might be speaking not with full information, but at the same time, it's just like, hey, I support you, you support me. It's like if Jamaica was like, oh, we're going to be with Trump, and then Trump be like, all right, I try telling that they're not in the White House at the next concert. It's like, we going to be like, oh, because he got
sellout. That's sellout notions, though. That's very sellout notions, yo.
It's just like a.
How is it not?
It's a look. It's not like a.
Donald Trump does not care about our people.
Nobody cares about our people.
Donald Trump blatantly, outright does not care about our people.
Okay, but okay, boom. But when he came out, the only reason why I'm okay with him is because
Donald Trump don't care about nobody.
It's like
he don't.
When he came about, everybody was able to not be fake. If you wanted to be racist or be like, you know what, I don't like this type of people. I'd rather someone be real and you know than everybody in the world being fake and being like, oh, none of this stuff is going on. No, this shit been going on. Him being in politics and showing us like this whole thing is a script. All of this is script. For him to be able to be president and showing me like anything is possible.
So do you support Donald Trump?
What is the support?
I'm asking the question. You can Google the word if you want to, but do you support Donald Trump?
I'm not into politics. So it's not that I support or disupport. My thing is for him to get a lot of things into life.
Racism came to more of a light that we already knew was there?
Yeah, we knew it was there, but it wasn't a conversation. It was a conversation just between us. Now that it's in our face, now people can be like, okay, yeah, this shit is wrong because it's out in the open for everybody.
But now that they know that it's wrong, they push it even harder.
It's always been pushed.
It's pushed even harder now, though. Now they have law enforcement involved in it. Even harder than what it was before. Mike Brown was one thing. Now ICE is a whole nother aspect to it. Is a bigger thing. Is an even bigger thing now. They're targeting anybody that they feel like that they feel, not even that they know it's not from here, that they feel like it's not from here.
I understand. No, I'm saying that's why
and they're gonna come at you. If they feel like it, they're gonna check you and figure out what's up.
It's wrong for ICE to be here, but there were certain people in America taking from America and still attacking America. They're taking the money from here where we are at and they're funding places and entities to where.
Okay.
Not everybody.
I want you to finish because I got a rebuttal for that. I'm very curious.
No, go ahead.
So America, the United States was built on rebellion. Built on breaking away from whatever Europe had going for us and everything the British government had going for us. We wanted to be a country that was open for everybody to come to. Give us your tire, give us your poor, give us all of that, and we're gonna do something with that. We're gonna make something happen. That's written in our Constitution. Give us your title, give us our support. That's written down in our Constitution of America. That started this country. For you to take that away now, for you to be like, nah, we asked for immigrants. New York City was an immigrant hub. Everybody was coming in here because they knew that they could come out here with the opportunity to maybe make some money, maybe be free, be free for praise whoever they wanted to praise, do whatever they want to do, make it happen however they can make it happen. That's being taken away from these people that we built this country on. I understand what you're saying. Now people are here that are taking from it and everything, but that's not the majority. That's not the majority. That's a very small minority of people. A lot of the Mexicans that are out here trying to get away from the stuff that's happening in Mexico and everything, that's the main people that are targeted by ICE, have come out here and done amazing things. That's doing great jobs out here.
So that's what I'm saying.
Being Jamaican men. It's niggas that's getting sent back too. That was out here doing great things. That was not selling drugs. That was not out here transporting, doing shit, doing bullshit. That was doing great things. So it's not. I feel like that's. I can't agree with that argument.
No, I understand that, but the only way I wasn't saying that he's right. I was just saying like, okay, now let's say if a Jamaican was able to, or any other culture was able to stand in the place of the Nicki Minaj's side, and then Trump be like, you know what, I'm gonna make sure your people is good. Would that be a sellout, or would that just be like, you know what, if I can make sure every Jamaican in America is good and they will never, I'm taking that beating. You see what I'm saying? Who am I selling out? Am I selling out my people? I'm taking that beating.
Why?
You making me fuck with Nicki more because she do fuck with us.
You see, I'm taking that beating. I'm taking that beating.
She got a weak ass Jamaican accent to be from Trinidad.
I'm seeing your point.
Hey.
I'm not saying that it's right.
No, but
if there was a chance to where you can do that.
No, but that's
if it's for the betterment of your people.
Yeah, but that's what I was telling. I was like I said, the same conversation we was having earlier. I was just telling him like, yo, bro, if I ended up being a martyr, but I know everybody's gonna be okay for real after, I'm doing that.
I hear you talking. I hear you talking.
All right, boom. This is
y'all have kids. Do you have a kid? You have kids?
No. I don't have
You have a kid. You have a child.
Yeah.
You say that now, but if it comes down to you having to take a bullet or go home to your child, which one are you doing?
If
it comes down to answer the question, if it comes down to it, if you have to take a bullet, if you gotta take a bullet for your people to prosper, go home to your child. And you don't even know if this bullet is gonna make your people prosper. You don't even know if this bullet is gonna make. If you die, you don't even know if you dying is gonna make your people prosper.
Taking that bullet is gonna help your child.
No, but wait.
Do you know that?
But that's what I said. That's what I just said. If I could guarantee that it's gonna make a better.
If there's a guarantee, that's a different story.
But that's what I said.
No bullet is guaranteed to better your child.
Which is why. That's why I said That's why he said I'm still in the position I'm in right now. That's why I said that. But I said if it was guaranteed that, like Malcolm X.
Yes. If it's an unsure situation, you're not doing that. If it's an unsure situation, you're not doing it. If you have a guarantee that if I get up on this podium and I talk my shit, and I die today, but my kid gonna be straight and my family gonna be straight and all the generations after you gonna be straight, that's a different story. But if I can,
but that's what I'm saying.
But that's not always a yes. And Martin Luther King is an example. Martin Luther King did not give it. Marcus Garvey. Martin Luther King. These is niggas that had children. No, Martin didn't have kids at the time, I don't believe.
No, Martin did.
He did? My fault. Yes. These people that at that point, they're like, yo, fuck what my kids got going on. I'm gonna take this bullet because I feel like it's gonna do that.
It's feel like.
It's not.
I feel like. Are you the same type of niggas is my question. Are you the same type of niggas is my question. That's my question. Are you the type of, but see, you don't have kids, it's a different story though too.
It depends, you know what I'm saying, bro? I haven't lived a full life, but I've lived more life than my son has. If there's a chance, if I feel like there is a chance,
the thing is, it's like
there is a chance that what I'm doing can extend the life or the liberty of my son.
So people in the community,
you know what I'm saying?
It's just
I'm
family.
gonna take it.
It's family in general. It don't mean kids. Like, nigga, I'm putting myself had to sacrifice for my whole family.
Most definitely, most definitely.
So why
yes.
wouldn't I do it for my whole country, even though I
Because there's a
wasn't born in
possibility
Jamaica?
that your family might get shot too. There's a possibility they might come after your family after they shoot you.
But then
But
everybody
they
is gonna see.
It's just like okay, it's okay. What's,
Will it?
That's too
They didn't kill all of my
hypothetical. 'Cause the
family.
hypothetical
Will it?
is too.
I'm saying that's what I'm saying. I'm saying that these are things that come into play with that
Who
though.
will come after your family?
The same people that shot you, bro.
So they gonna take
Why
your
If your family step up, why would you? How you know your family gonna be taken care of? If you take this bullet, you die. How do you know your family gonna be taken care of?
So okay, boom. If they're taking the bullet is Nicki Minaj, let's just say reference Nicki Minaj Jean. If that's taking the bullet and you don't know, imagine not taking the bullet and then you being Trinidad and your family being Trinidad and then all of y'all gotta go back.
That you just said that's not a possibility for them.
No.
Her doing that had nothing to do with that at all.
No, but what,
They was already good.
No, okay, what if they were all? I say I'm
No,
speaking
but-
from ignorance because I don't know. the
No,
full
but
information.
just to make it clear, it don't matter if you're on the not banned list or not. It's anybody that has immigrant status or anybody that look immigrant. They put up like niggas at gas station.
They pull up niggas at barbershop. They took Dominicans out of barbershop.
If you're on the banned list or not,
this shit is real, bro.
yeah. So if you're on the banned list or not, you're getting pressed.
Now she's holding hands with Trump. Now what she doing? Like, you know what?
So they grabbed like 3 different barbers that got grabbed up, son. Dominican.
That's what I'm
niggas,
saying.
yo.
When that's how I
I can't be mad. I can't be mad at it.
I can't support it. I can say that. I cannot support that at all.
I'm not.
Not me personally.
No, I'm just saying because she's not.
I don't support sellouts in general. I don't support a sellout to begin with.
I'm saying, are you not agreeing
It's not okay. Go ahead, continue.
Let's say you were like,
I mean, she can know what black people in general.
straight for
She's
Jamaica,
black.
you pay for probably a little 50, whatever the case, or you're straight here, whatever the case. She's a sellout because you're not including that, or she's only sticking up for herself.
I don't believe she's sticking up for any people at all. I believe she's sticking up for herself. And that's my opinion on the situation. I feel like she's sticking up for herself and nobody else.
This is opinion.
Yes.
This is opinion.
Yes.
But you gotta think about it. It's for yourself because, like you said, you're not gonna take that shot for everybody else. So if you're gonna only think about yourself, why wouldn't you think about? If you had the opportunity and Trump be like, nigga, you would be good for the rest of your life. You're gonna be like, oh nah, let me suffer.
I'm not suffering, so no, I would not take that handout.
Okay.
I'm a very prideful person as well, so I could turn down the bag for my pride.
Okay, but imagine if you turn down the bag, then it's consequences.
Do you believe that's what she went through?
But imagine that because that's a real.
Because now you speaking hypothetically. Now you speaking hypothetically now.
We're all speaking hypothetically.
Correct. That's true. That is true. But I feel like yours go to a different level now. So if I either I go up on stage with him, or something bad happened to me. Once again, that's the immediate. Now I'm thinking about my family and my immediate right there.
So
that's a selfish thing.
Then what you gonna do? You're gonna take that selfish thing, right?
I'm gonna think about you're right, correct, because I'm gonna take care of my family. Do you believe that's what she went through though?
But you gotta think,
We're not talking about that though.
It gotta be because remember what y'all just said. Her peoples around her are so, and he on some type of files. Hello. All right, moving forward.
That shit is done for though. Like that shit is over with. That shit he can't lock them up for some shit that they already did their time for.
I'm not saying lock it up, but since they all a gang, they probably cool that out now. Whatever the fuck.
What are you talking about?
Y'all said her husband and her brother.
Yeah, that shit is done with. You can't go to jail for something you did.
I'm not saying go to jail.
Serve your time for it.
I'm not saying go to jail, but that's on the title now. That's on the record, correct?
And will always be. So you think it got expunged off of their record?
It's not. I'm not saying it could, but it's not. It can, but it.
President.
Yeah,
So
remember,
if you come on stage with me, I'll take this pedophilia shit off your husband's record.
You think she not gonna do that, nigga?
That's still some sellout nasty shit.
Sell out to who?
Nigga, she's
to the country? She don't owe the country nothing.
To the little kids that her husband fucked with.
Well, yeah, I got a child. I can't chill with that.
Okay.
That's her
I
husband.
understand that.
She's past that though. She's past that though.
She's past that, but the people, the victims of that are not past that.
But like he says, to sell out to who?
The people that were victims to that situation.
She don't know her shit.
She don't care about them, but that's why I can call her a sellout. She don't see.
No.
What she gonna say? She didn't see herself as a sellout.
But that's hypothetical to say if that's the reason.
She didn't see herself as a sellout. I asked how y'all felt about her. Me personally, I feel like she sold out.
Alright. If I had a sibling that murdered somebody, right? Accident, not accident. If I was able to get them off, I don't care who died. This is my brother or sister. I'm getting them out. Be real. We're not talking hypothetical.
I can't stand on that.
No. If my sibling was in the wrong, yes, I understand. But if I'm not being dumb. I'm not being like, oh, if something is wrong, it's wrong. If they touch little, I'm not into that. You see what I'm saying? But at the same time, if I'm able, cause let's say if it's not the husband thing, cause I don't want to like bring that, cause like I don't want to speak on, cause we fully don't know the information. You see what I'm saying? Because it could be someone who lied about it. It could be anything.
All we know is that he was prosecuted as it, and that's as far as the courts go, he's labeled as a pedophile.
But courts can be wrong. You see what I'm saying?
It wouldn't be the first time, but it would the last time.
I'm not defending him. I'm just talking about any other situation. So in this situation, if I'm able to like get my peoples off, I'm going to take that. You see what I'm saying? I'm going to take that.
I don't know if I can stand on that whatever situation, because then it's a thin line in there. It's gray areas in there. It's a few gray areas in there
It's
too.
only because most people have a distaste about Trump. But if we like the person and the person got someone off, we're gonna be like, yay! But it's only because someone has a distaste about Trump.
I will say.
No. That's what I'm saying. I mean that. No, true. I understand that, but that's what I'm saying. It's just like, if we like the person and they still was trying, it's just like, we just don't like it because of the thing that he's doing, but we don't like nobody. Who in politics that we actually like? Are we going to just say that we like Obama? But are we going to only say that we liked him because he was of color?
Nope.
Okay,
Nah.
What did he do? We gonna say we did some shit. Name what he did.
Insurance. He gave a lot of people. He never got. That was his setup. That was his setup. Yeah, that was his setup.
The stimulus came from Barack.
That money setup came from when he was in position.
Came from Barack.
His setup. Yes.
Okay.
He set it up. Low income insurance. People with low income households getting insurance. That was a Barack setup.
Okay.
It was a lot of low income stuff that was set up for Michelle Obama. When he was in office, she set up the healthy lunches and everything for our kids, so they're not eating bullshit in schools and everything. And they couldn't stand her for that. It's a lot of stuff that administration did for our actual people and low income. And what's crazy is that the low income isn't just black people. Low income is a lot of white people too. So they did a lot. He did a lot for low income people. Right. Yeah, them more white people than anything.
All the way down on Atlantic Avenue.
Yep.
You see where that gets.
So my thing is now hear me out when it comes to Trump. I can personally say for myself, and once again, this is my opinion, I respect the fuck out of Trump as a person. because he don't give a fuck.
Because he don't give a fuck.
He don't give a fuck.
I like that attitude.
Yeah,
Because he don't give a
and
fuck.
anybody that can stand on business and don't give a fuck about it, you get my respect because you a real nigga. You a real one. In my eyes, you a real one. Nah, he ain't a real nigga, but he a real one. He
But
a real one when it
you
comes to that.
get shit done.
But what I will say that I don't like him. I don't like him because of what the things that he stands for.
I understand.
The things that he stands for.
I
He
understand not liking for the things that he stands for, but for getting shit done, it's like,
But in getting the right things done and the wrong things done, there's a difference between that. Right and wrong. There's still a difference between right and wrong.
true. But in the situation that is given to you, what is the right thing for you?
As we spoke about earlier, as Americans, and the difference between other countries and us personally is we're very much more selfish over here. But we care more about our immediate than we do about anything else.
I understand that.
A war happens right now, I'm going to get my family. I fuck with all of y'all in here, and I want to try to hold y'all all down, but I'm going to get my son. First and foremost, I'm leaving you niggas. You niggas better figure it out, because I'm going to get my son. Somebody who can't figure it out. I'm not worried about the other stuff. Other places don't feel like that. Like, we going to get it together, and we going to worry about everything else later.
Hence you American, right?
As a motherfucker.
And
American
me,
is a bitch.
I'm like, where this nigga Punda at? I gotta make sure Jay. I'm thinking like, oh, that's what I'm thinking.
who
Like,
died? You have a child. Who you worried about?
Nigga, that's a no-brainer to get your kid.
Once exactly.
but you
that's
gotta
the-
think about it. Who's my
You're making my
niece?
point. You're making my
You
point
gotta
right
think
now.
about it.
But
But who
you're
I'm
saying the
thinking about-
no-brainer, bro. You're not about to
Nope.
up and leave the kid.
Everybody gonna go get their child first, but after the child, then what? You just going?
That's it.
After you and your
I'ma
child,
check on you niggas, but you niggas better be
No, you see,
I'ma check on you
you see
niggas.
what I'm saying?
That's not like he
For
gonna
me,
check on them after
I'm
you
like,
done made it to where he got
Everybody gonna make sure they
You
go get
right,
their
because
kid.
I'ma check on you niggas and make sure that my family is safe.
Regrouping, nigga. What you talking
As
about?
an American, I'ma make sure that my family is safe.
boom.
We spread out.
As a Jamaican,
I'ma make sure my family is safe.
but nigga, as a Jamaican, I'm thinking, oh, this is my niece's father. Oh, who's attached to him? Him. You see what I'm saying? It's like, I really think about this. Like, niggas is not really. You think the moves that I'm making is really not just for the immediate family. Like, when I'm doing music and all this other shit I'm putting together, it's not just for my immediate family. I'm thinking about this nigga. I'm thinking about him. I'm thinking about Fire Kid. Her. I know her from mad long. Now it's a kid involved. Now that's blood. That's family ties. I'm thinking about all that shit. So the moves that I would make would be for the collective because we come from a community. Americans is only going to think selfish because you only think about the
Larger
child
scale.
first.
Larger scale. People. America's a lot bigger than Jamaica is.
But you got
The community, so
I
that's so,
wasn't
and then
born in
this goes
Jamaica.
back to it. I'm not. No. Let me hear me out. Hear what I'm saying now.
I might be stupid, but watch out, I'm the stupid man, dog.
Hear me now.
You hear the stupid man, real.
Go ahead.
You know the whole of America?
Not at all.
You know the whole of Rochester?
Nope.
The whole of Rochester helped grow you.
Correct.
Okay. Probably the whole of, you would say St. Catherine helped grow you. Or wherever you come from. What's the difference in people?
So,
What's the difference?
the difference in people is the amount of people that's there, man. Jamaica is a lot more.
Rochester.
Y'all have smaller communities, which make those smaller communities teach y'all to be a better village. Y'all smaller communities taught y'all to be a better village.
no. The thing is, all right.
Y'all have now listen
What
what
do
I'm
you
saying.
mean by that?
Listen what I'm saying.
What you mean?
Listen what I'm saying.
Tell me if I'm wrong.
Listen what I'm saying.
Drive out the outskirts of Rochester. Way less of a time I can drive out the outskirts of Jamaica.
Can you drive out to the outskirts of New York State faster than you drive out to the outskirts of Jamaica? Can you drive out to the outskirts of Texas? Can you drive out to the outskirts of Jamaica?
All right, cool. Do with you, so
All right, cool. All right, check
That's
this.
what I'm saying. Jamaica is a country.
Let's say-
America is a country.
All right, boom. Let's say you go to Pennsylvania and you in a club and you see someone messing with American black people, right? Are you gonna jump in for them? If I see someone messing with someone who I know is Jamaican, I don't even gotta know them. I'm jumping in. It don't matter where
If
it's
it's
from. It
white
don't
people
matter
messing with a black person, yes, I'm jumping in. If it's black people messing with a black person, that nigga got his own thing going on.
Well, to an extent.
If they Jamaican,
oh yeah, if they doing some bull, if they turn some bullshit, yeah. But you know what I'm saying? It's like
like
for the stick.
it's more of a we don't think selfish.
And that's
we
my
don't
point.
think selfish.
That's
It
my
don't matter
point.
if
That's
they're
my
from-
entire point. Is that America, we have a more selfish aspect on things, and me as an American, I can vouch for that.
But I was born
not
here,
saying-
but
I'm not
I
saying
can
that.
see the difference. So I understand where you're coming from, but it's just like I see the difference in I feel the difference because me not being born in Jamaica, they consider me American, but it's just like nigga, I really grew up like. So
I get what
it's
you're
just-
saying. I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
So I see both, but I see the unselfishness in a way so I can understand why.
We just saying we saying the same
We're
thing,
saying
just
the
two
same
different
thing.
ways.
Yeah, because
It's just, but it goes back to the the conversation we had earlier. That's literally the conversation we had earlier.
Like David, the Americans believe that it could never happen.
What could never happen?
What you would say earlier, just to get that one link.
Look, if you want to do that, that's a whole other show episode right there, man.
No, I'm not.
'Cause that's not what the conversation really started from. It started from the Earth being flat and and was no space. And once they tell us that the Earth is flat, once they figure out the Earth is flat, and they're gonna build out all of the land, and it's gonna be different spots and
We could
everything.
go there.
And we were
Like
saying,
that.
that it's still gonna be taxes no matter what. They still gonna tax shit, and they still gonna find a way to do that. Now the same infrastructure is gonna be the same thing. They just gonna move it out further. But that's another show. We ain't gonna go that far. We ain't gonna go that far. We're gonna move into our next segue if you want to, though. I want you to make your point, though. I just want you to make your point because I don't want to take away from your point at all. Go ahead.
I mean, I don't got a point to make other than I know it could work. It's just if y'all, like I said, get out of the trauma mentality and believe and show the. It's all about, you know how they say
Unification. That's really what it's about.
You know how we say treat your neighbor how you want to be treated. I feel
The golden rule, yo. That's the golden rule.
I feel like our first impression, once you show somebody that, yo, be good. Somehow, however it is, whether it's through a conversation or through a gift or whatever the fuck it is, however it come out, if you show somebody that, yo, we good, you know what I mean? They gonna wanna.
I also feel like due to American culture, that makes it so much harder because the first impression is a lasting impression, but a lot of times you show somebody your full hand when you first meet them and they still be shiesty as a motherfucker. Because then they see your kindness as weakness. And that's very much an American trait, I will say. And they will take advantage of you just as fast as you.
And that's true, and we know that as a witness, but that's why you see when it, like say come used to the scenario we talked about earlier. That's why in a scenario like that, once we make sure the kids are okay, we already know it's time to sync up and arm up and hold each other down, because now it's mad of us instead of just me and my house and my kid. So
I don't disagree with that. I don't disagree with that.
Now it's me first because I'm a defend, and then my kid is here.
Trump supporters that kicked down my door, and it's just me and my child.
I don't disagree with that at all.
Yeah, so
and I get that. I get that.
See, that's what we're saying. See, now the reason you're looking at it is because of your perspective we put it in. You get what I'm saying?
I see what you're saying.
Danger. You see, us, it don't matter what it could be.
I see what you're saying, but once again, to further what you're saying now, when I said like I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna make sure my family is straight. The further what y'all saying is I'm gonna make sure my family is straight as well, though, first.
And that's the thing.
Because it's not just my son that's part of my family. I know that I got real shooters in my family too. And I know that some of you niggas ain't shooters. So if we being honest,
but we gotta make.
So I'm gonna make sure that these niggas good, because if the Trump supporters kick in the door, the real shooters is gonna hold shit down.
But why do you think we gonna make sure good too? When we say you gonna link, why do you think we gonna call each?
I'm not denying that, but it's the same. It's the same thing. Alright, listen, and y'all my niggas, y'all my niggas, yo. Cause bullets ain't gonna last forever.
That's why I won here.
Exactly. That's why y'all my niggas. Now, hold on.
I'm not.
Oh, my fault. You right. Damn. Yo, Madonna. This why you're Madonna. All right. Yo, so by the way, space is real. Second off, now, another episode. Moving forward.
Jack Cure, White Green. What boy?
Who that?
Yeah. Dogs in that chat.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, one of your brother.
Yo, you know what we didn't do, bro? Before we even go any further into this, man. Yo, shouts out to the British Affair tomorrow too. We know, that definitely College is going down tomorrow, but we got to shout out the British Affair, man. Dame OD, and it's with massive birthday party too, massive birthday party. So we gotta definitely shout that out, man. You know, them is two people that came through and showed us love before. So we gotta always shout that out, man. That's the first time they're doing their birthday parties together. So.
And that's been a minute since either.
Yeah, they've never done their birthday parties together. So that's a big one, man. So make sure after y'all go to the college and before y'all go to the college, man, make sure y'all pass through, show them the love. That's at Sky Lounge tomorrow night, man. So definitely shouts out to that. Now, parties and everything out the way, culture shots and dealing with different cultures and different people. My friend here has a contraption.
Yeah. This is the shock part of the show. So. This,
why though? I made sure I said it because of.
Alright, listen.
Alright.
Who said? Alright, hold on. Cause we gonna call women out here to help us out in a moment, yo. So with this next part of the show, what we gonna end it off with is we have this what is this called? Massager.
Yeah, massager.
That's what it's called. That's what it's called. Now, I know that anybody that's been on social media, y'all might have seen different people try this out where where men have used it to try to simulate what a woman goes through when they dealing with their menstrual pain type things. And so, because as men, and we all men here, sometimes we might feel like women might be over-exaggerating that shit a little bit. Like, all right, yo, y'all been dealing with this shit y'all whole life, but y'all still
know, so I don't know.
Yeah, I ain't never.
That was sick. That was very sick, guys. That was very sick. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this machine out and see how it really works and see if it will. And see if we can deal with the same types of things, or at least a fraction of what they might deal with. Now we have some women on set that's gonna help a few people get hooked up to it. Offset. We're gonna let y'all get hooked up offset. Anybody that's interested in trying it out?
Hold on, why we need water?
I'm a volunteer. I'm curious. I'm gonna try it out.
You're not gonna break this?
Hold on. Hold it down. Hold the shit. Walk.
Okay. Hold on, let me go. Let me go piss.
So let me see the towels. I got you. Let me see the towels.
Yeah,
Yo, I was thinking that too, yo. I was thinking the same thing, yo.
Somebody please want that before we did it?
Yeah, no.
I did see it happening before.
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, Jaja.
You good.
No, bro.
So while they doing that, while people getting situated and getting right, yo, get out to one of the women and get them set up, yo. You ain't about to put it on nobody.
Like you was string it up, you tried.
Nah, man, hell nah. Do it the way they do it on the street, man. Hell nah, bro. Bro, do it, yo. Fuck it.
Like you string it up, you know, you do for yourself.
Are you bring all the contraptions?
So do it for yourself.
And Jerome go first.
Yeah, do that shit.
I'm gonna try this shit. I'm gonna try it out, yo.
We're not trying like on my belly, but you try it. I'm putting fun like the honor.
It's right
In the meantime, yo, make sure.
You smoke too much weed for them sitting there.
Oh, Rumba, alright. Rumba's doing it. Hold on.
Can I do it?
That's about it.
You gonna try to your arm for that? Use the smaller tabs for that if you're gonna do it on this arm.
No man, use a big one.
Yo, hey yo.
I know you have fish. Go along now, fish. Yeah, keep on it now. See that?
Also, we about to get Rum Boss to the gym, Lion Paw Fitness, man. Make sure you look out for. We gonna get JK in the gym too, man. We gonna make sure we get that together, yo, man. Shouts out to them, man. Nick Cage, sign him up, man.
Get out of the camera, man.
Oh, God almighty.
I'm cheating already.
Put one pan in there.
Not even doing it.
Honestly, this is the tester, yo, because this ain't the official one. This is the tester right here, yo.
I say,
Hold up. This ain't we giving this simulation for.
No, what?
Try the DJ one.
Put it on right.
People ain't gonna do the illest scratching ever, yo.
What?
Start the 100.
Started yet.
What do you mean start the 100, dog?
Bro, you good, man?
Yo,
It don't hurt.
Nah, it don't. It don't.
Ready?
On your arm, it definitely don't. Yo! Yo!
What you mean? Bro, I can't believe it.
Son, you doing that shit. I ain't gonna sit here,
I
son.
ain't cooked that.
Now, you the water right there. Move your computer, bro. Move your laptop.
Take up all of this.
Take up the
Spread it.
Show some water and a couple of
Yeah, get past the water, bro.
Yeah, make it try smoking that.
First off.
You want smoke?
Take the water bottle cap off. It's just the water, man.
It's just for that.
You ain't about to drink the shit. Hold on, make sure it's at a higher setting. Because, man, we want to see how you...
Nah, start on and see if you make it up.
Nah, we know you can pour water on a low setting. You pour water on a regular basis, bro. You good. You pour rum. Yeah, now look at you. Yeah.
You got this.
Yeah, look at you can hold the bottle correctly.
Come on.
You got this, nigga.
I come to the...
That shit afflicted as fuck, yo. Grab my good arm. Grab my strong arm.
I think I'm good, though.
Yo, somebody has no.
Jay, turn the setting up, man.
It was all the way up.
That was all the way up?
It has different.
Yeah, bro. That wasn't turned all the way up.
That shit gonna go straight to my bone,
Turn your whole shit
nigga.
back.
Why not?
I think it goes up to like level 8 or 9 or something.
Bro, do your hand like that, bro. Move your hand, bro.
Like a zombie, nigga.
Can you move your hand, please? Son, I can't do this shit.
Wow. But that was the highest level.
I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it the other way, man.
Yo, we can't.
Jeremy, you next. On the belly.
Well, we
Got to.
No, we have to wait.
We've been waiting all day.
Oh,
yeah, bro. Yeah, nah,
We've been
Jay, you
waiting
got
all
to.
day.
Jay, you got to, son.
no, we another time grand
I've been waiting
finale.
all day.
All right.
That's the grand finale. We are going to make the dog them pour the water again. Pass the other one.
Come on, Drew.
Watch out, Jerome, boss. Be a Van Jerome, forward.
Nah, Dave said he want to do it the other way, yo. He gonna do it.
Say I put my belly.
All right,
Yeah.
Tina.
So what I gotta do? I gotta do nothing. Just
No, go put the
Yeah,
band
you
in.
got to see how much pain you, how much you can do, whatever setting you can get it to.
Go show them what you put in.
Put it on your belly, I put it on your grind.
All right, well,
Like
first of all,
what?
relax. They said the pelvis area.
Right here. So you gotta put it right here.
For me?
They said the pelvis.
Go right now?
First of all, like right here, I feel it everywhere. Right, like right here. Okay, cool.
Let me take a chair now.
Right
Let me take a chair now.
where your pelvis.
I need to enjoy it.
Right there, so.
You see? You kind of pelvis talk.
Yeah, no man, when you can't do the cup. No, let's not sit in that chair ready for the camera can get a good angle. Jerome, you're not forward.
Forward, right?
You go forward no more. No, you have to get the ass in that camera angle.
Yes, right there, so. Right there, so. Right there, so. A little lower.
Where y'all going?
A little lower.
You have to take off your plastic.
Right there, so. Right, yeah.
Keep on the plus.
Keep on the plastic.
Right where the pelvis is.
Yeah, right there, so. Right there.
Yeah.
Right there, so.
Yup, and on the other side.
Yup. No, for real, can you go feel the PM?
Gotta record this.
Yeah, no, you man.
So why the time?
I was born the way I was for a reason.
Why the time?
No, but sometimes we can't switch.
What?
No, hell no. Fire.
Transmission.
Fire. Lightning and thunder.
Transformer, bro.
Oh, you gotta set up?
Optimus Blood Killer Prime.
Yes, the Optimus Prime. Oh, God. Roll out. Sorry, FEMA.
Now you gotta stand up too.
Stand up?
That's what everybody in the videos be doing. You gotta stand up.
Go to see how we can stand for.
They ain't tried this shit yet.
Me record it.
Yeah, I truly ain't tried it.
Alright.
They ain't tried this shit yet.
Yeah. You gonna set this up on the tower?
I just tell you to flip the camera for you, man.
Yeah, me happy, me
Me
happy.
and Kim.
Alright, I
Let me know when you put that. Is it ready? Alright.
Don't start too crazy.
No.
Don't start too
I
crazy.
50%.
It's a bug.
Yeah.
Nigga about to shit that shit. He said, nah, nigga. He said things are going.
They said, oh, blast like this.
Alright.
This is interesting.
Listen, you ready?
Yeah, 50%.
50%.
100. 75 J. I put the 20
Yeah.
I'm like, at first I didn't know what it was.
Uh-huh. Like a ball, no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
100, no.
Put it up.
60.
Listen to the top boy.
I said,
Cause I work out.
hold up.
Oh, sorry.
Right, say that. That's what I said too.
What you talking about?
That's the same shit I
Yeah.
said. I was like, yo, bro, I work out. This shit ain't, that shit light. I work out. That shit ain't nothing.
Alright, put on next.
No, it goes the settings go higher.
Yeah, bro, you know the settings
Yeah,
go
you
high.
know
No.
the settings go higher. You know
I don't like that. I'd rather go, yeah.
Yeah,
I want boom. Yeah. This ain't nothing.
What's it, baby?
So it got a boom there yet.
Oh my God.
What's it?
Oh, this ain't shit.
This nigga shaking.
Yeah, cause it's
Bro, that's not, you going up on it, you going up?
It's not that bad. That's what I'm saying.
this shit's really nothing.
I did it on my arm earlier, it wasn't that bad.
It just felt like someone
it
like
went higher than that,
punching.
though.
It just feel like someone punching your stomach.
Oh my God.
I said, hold up.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
This shit is nothing.
Alright, someone.
That's the highest level?
I want the first setting. Let me put this one.
I'm gonna sit down. This fucking shaking up.
Yeah, it's on his ass. It's not on his pelvis.
This shit is still nothing though. Like.
Alright, we put your pelvis.
Five nigga voice got so deep.
Yeah.
Jerk.
Bro, that was the highest setting? It was?
Yeah, this shit really ain't nothing.
We lost, bro.
Yeah, go first.
We lost.
No, let me pour the water. Somebody have to.
Alright,
Yeah,
boom.
we do the water pour, bro.
I feel like the water pour ain't nothing. with that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, if you do it to control
I'm
it.
not stimulated with that,
David
though.
did it. Jermaine, you next.
You gotta do
It
the
just feel like someone punching your stomach.
Never did.
Huh?
You know did that? Are you my answer? I'm gonna get. But you should be first man.
Yeah, me test.
He said it wasn't that bad.
It ain't nothing.
David Mino said, alright, fuck it.
It really just feel like, yeah, nothing.
So he must have got the weak one.
Nigga, I really work out. Nigga. Stomach wise.
Not on your stomach.
Mino know what did you
Son, do that shit off camera, bro.
Go a little lower.
Why are you scared to do this shit off camera to put your shirt down, bro? Like, what? I don't understand.
Bro, tell me belly that.
Flag this shit, you know. Bro, you 2C shirt, come on.
So much money in that room.
Yeah.
Dirty man.
Gerald, next. Can you get the remote?
No.
Can you get
Yeah,
the
bro.
remote?
Yeah.
You control everybody else's.
Wait, let me go pee first. Let me go pee first. I gotta go pee.
No, you don't.
That's it. I can piece
Nah, bro, you gotta get the full. You see me?
Yeah.
Make sure if y'all like the vibe, subscribe, man. You already know Live Vibes TV, man. Shouts out to everybody, man. Run Boston International, man. Everybody in the building. To go to Eclipse. Where is that in reference to Eclipse, yo?
Eclipse parking lot.
Ah,
Eclipse
okay.
parking lot.
All right.
For the OGs in
I'm
the
about to say,
chat.
make sure it's placed right.
Eclipse
That
parking
one
lot.
down.
Eh?
That one right there, yeah. There you go.
Stand up, bro.
Yeah, you gotta stand up.
You gotta stand up.
Why?
Come on.
Get up. Stand up.
Get up.
Stand up for your rights.
So
Continue someone.
You did it and you just click forward and then you see the bar start
Bro,
going.
put that on 100.
Oh my
I
god.
thought he was trying to teach y'all how to do
You
this.
got it.
But we have one.
Mr. No sympathy. Let's go.
Why do it stop?
Yo.
Nah, come on, keep going.
You keep going.
I feel like this is how Flash feels before he charges up to take off.
That nigga face.
Yo, Nia, what the fuck, nigga?
Nah, bro, nah. So you can't take no more, bro. No. That's
Why?
out of wild. That's out of wild, yo. As soon as I said that shit, yeah, my fault, bro. My fault, yo. That was wild, yo.
Hold on. Come on, now look about.
Nah, son.
I'm gonna try a different setting.
I'm good.
You sure?
You sure?
Yeah.
That picture of fuck.
Yeah, listen, I ain't trying this shit.
Well, I see that.
Let me pour the water, bro.
That nigga can't even open a water bottle right now.
Don't buckle now.
Take the shades off,
Stand
bro.
strong. 10 toes.
It is like, man, kids punching you in the stomach.
Yeah, it's like
Right. Feels like somebody
How many
knocking your
days in
shit
are you
down.
now? Which day?
There it goes.
Alright, yo.
Take a picture of that shit.
Alright.
Bro, we got it. Bro, you didn't even
Hey, yo. No, we don't need to rewind.
Yo, DM, stop pressing.
Don't need
I ain't said it, yo.
I'm going to crazy settings. Hold on.
Yo!
Yeah. Let's live. I said fuck that.
That was it, buddy. All right, man. It's that grand finale, man.
You gotta
Come
try
on,
that
man.
shit.
Excuse me.
I work out, yo. This shit like, yo.
Wait, man, that was.
Look, he got a breather. He need a breather.
Nah, that shit is like, what is you really nothing?
He need a breather. That shit is funny as hell.
In a body, no, but when it's just so.
I thought it was about to be like shots.
Don't be scared, Nate. Come on.
Y'all not getting to
Don't
show
be
y'all
scared.
punch y'all was getting it.
Come on, don't be a pump. Don't be a
I'll
try
pour
to
the
pour
water.
the water.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna pour the water.
Man, that's easy.
It look that easy.
Anybody
Like you got that.
Well, me not feel nothing on my belly. You can't tell. Can you sure that?
They ain't trying to pour the water.
Yeah, that's the most you're getting.
That's in your total, I know.
Okay. Bro, no more liquor, bro. Look at that. That's it. Yeah, right. You got a liquor store, yeah.
Like I thought it was in
Alright, that's the right right here?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, that's a liquor store
Just
over
like
there.
that.
You bar, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
See a difference.
At the bar.
Yo, clip on.
Oh, this go.
Watch it, hold the headphone part.
Oh, the jump.
The part.
This part. This part, you know. Where this go?
By your belly.
Which belly?
What?
No, take care for me on too.
Bless.
My muscle.
Which one am I supposed to do?
Are you gonna do it at the same time?
Yeah.
Which one you pouring?
Alright, man, pour more water, man.
Bro, you got to, yo. Alright, yo.
So where you got it on you?
Right here.
Oh, bro, we not do this.
No, you're not.
You can put it on
You're not gonna send female electric waves to me, bro. This not gonna work.
Yeah, that's wild, yo.
No, don't worry. You want to do that, you can't do that.
No, it's separate.
Yo, let me see my string separate from you.
Yes, it is.
You're lucky. Where this go?
Put it on your muscle up, or even on your wrist. Either one.
Now, if he do his wrist, he ain't gonna be able to move his fingers.
No, me I put one on your muscle.
Mad tingly, yo. Your shit.
Yeah,
big.
The reason why he was able to do his hand,
He gonna be doing
his
gang
wrist
signs
gonna
up.
be-
Them lower arms.
Yeah. And then do one on his foot. Yeah.
Put that over there.
Oh, yeah, done.
That boy whole arm about to clench up.
Make sure it's on.
Press it up.
Yeah.
Try the arm.
We lock this first.
No, try to lock you up. When you press it.
Clear everything from it to come in the trust.
Put one more tongue.
Can you need the towel? Take up the water.
I said the other towel is underneath it.
Take up the darker phone.
Shit, that delay. Nigga, YouTube, we still having a discussion.
What am I saying?
Yeah.
What they say? They still talking about the Trump song?
Right.
So we still talking to YouTube. We still having a discussion, bro.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you ready now?
Oh shit!
So me for pull this too?
I feel that shit in my left leg, bro.
Yeah, I feel it on your leg. I feel it. Nothing.
Is this shit even working on this side? Oh, there you go. Okay. This shit all on my leg. I got it too low or something.
What
yo.
y'all do?
Or too far out. Oh, no.
Yo,
Oh, there you
what
go.
y'all do?
Yep, there you go.
You have to tell me what y'all do.
I feel him tell you.
So, alright, talk to me then when you reach point that side.
Come on, King.
I'll try it next.
I don't want to do the both
You need to open this up.
Car, bro, me not like unexpected things.
That shit real. I ain't gonna lie. That shit is real as a bitch, yo. God damn. Whoa.
Hold out.
Nigga.
It feels different, no?
Boy.
Wait, try sitting down.
Fuck sitting down. What? I wanna hit some shit.
It feels different, no?
Yeah, that's why they be so angry.
Yo, nigga. Boy.
Judge.
Go ahead, Kenny, lay down.
Right. Try to get comfortable.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
Oh, that ain't that bad sitting down.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
yeah,
bro.
sit down.
No good. Sitting down cool. Nah, sit down cool, honestly, yo.
You gonna pour the water?
Walking around like that crazy.
Man, pour it water, man.
Walking around is crazy. Sitting down, there you go.
There we go.
Hold up.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
30 man foot up. Coming out.
Yo, he was all cool and cut. There it go.
That shit kicked in crazy, son.
You on the blue, man. That's how they hit you on the blue. You be good until you ain't.
No, I'm good.
It's funny as
It's not on his side yet.
It must go in waves right now. Yo. It must be in waves.
It's different settings, so it's like a do.
It's not active
That
yet.
shit funny as shit.
But you better make sure you tell me first. Hey, hello?
Wait.
Because, you know, hey, just make sure you talk to me first before you start selecting.
Nah, son, just go ahead and do it, son. I'm good, man. I don't want to know.
You feel it? Why?
Bro, someone on the forget dickhead, bro. Like, what?
Nah, that's cool, yo. We good. We good, son.
So I'm listening to that joke.
Why? Yo.
Top of nice, yeah, man. Top of nice.
I say, hold up. Right, this shit gonna get flagged. Obviously.
Okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, I'm done?
You know, put the
Oh,
fire.
yo, no, dog.
What, man?
Oh, his shit wasn't working the whole time.
No, we never turned it. I didn't do it at the same time.
Oh.
Don't take it off. Put it back on. Put it back on.
It fell.
Yo, that shit felt crazy, bro. My leg, son.
My leg was
Alright, this I drop out. Want some more adhesive. Yo, hello. Alright, now you feel like that little tingly shit in them, so that pour the water, so? Oh, where electrolytes are come from?
Yo, the bottle though. They about to break the bottle.
Bro! Alright. Damn.
He about to throw the water over here, son.
Bro, I'm telling this keep on to drop off. I don't mean it.
Alright, hold on.
Yo!
Let me change
Oh,
it.
man. Yeah, my jumps up.
Yo, son, that shit is crazy, son. I still feel that shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, yo.
I'm gonna try it out.
Hey, where the bug? Give me the bug.
You sure this done off?
Nah. I'm gonna sure if it turn off.
You feel weird?
Give me a plug in.
Yeah, mama, definitely not do what MD do. That work. Yeah, y'all good.
Son, you niggas got that shit. Son, that shit ain't that bad, son.
Yeah, talking
Nah,
about
bro,
there it goes.
you ain't had that shit the right way, son. That shit crazy, son.
I'm telling you, because
yours was higher up than mine, son.
But Dave, that's what I was trying to say. You had
Put it
yours
lower?
more on your ass
Oh, yeah, low?
and not your pelvis. Like
I'll
where your
put it down
groin
lower.
is. Yeah.
Yeah, I
Boy,
ain't
that
want
shit.
to put it down too low and everybody
Alright,
else had to
let me
put it
do
down.
Yeah, he got extra ones. That's the reason why I did. I know he had extra ones.
Alright, that's
Oh, shoot, bro. I don't even know if I should be doing this again.
You should.
Yeah,
but-
next time.
It's fine. You got it.
No,
It
hell no.
He
My
said
left hand, I'm about to be up here.
Ready?
Hell no.
Yo, yeah.
I'm already a little slow with my left hand.
Yes, sir. Over here, sir?
Oh yeah, no.
What, 26? What?
No,
What?
put your
Yeah,
put your
no,
arm
no, no,
inside.
no.
Put your
Because
arm.
if you put on the forearm,
No,
yo, your shit gonna be like this.
Right, right.
Where's the which side?
No, bro, why would you
Right
do
there,
that?
right
Ain't gonna mash up.
Oh my God, I can't pour water like this.
That's the whole point.
Jermaine,
That's the point.
Jermaine, we are no, dog first dog.
We don't get
Oh no, we are select.
Alright, ready?
Wait, go.
Let's go.
Wait, what did
You
you?
got this.
What did you put it on? Which one? The one that was like this
No,
or the one that
no.
made me?
No. Can you move your hand now so it's gonna be different? Just tell me.
Bro.
Yo, the concentration is crazy.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh God.
Well,
Well, I see. We're not gonna cheat the system. Ah,
ready?
I think so.
100. Yeah, put it on the max. Yeah.
That's why Miguel them never left me.
Pop.
Shoot. I turn out this no man.
Yo.
High five. Alright, you work. Who next, bro? No, we're done.
Wait, one more settings.
What? No, hello. Wait, you have to make me know again where you are do.
See, they're ready. Try pour the water back in our buckle now.
Oh, you might like that.
Nah, try and drink the water. Try and drink the water.
Yeah, try drinking the water, Nate.
Come on, man. You can do it.
You got it.
Use the bottle if you need to. Use the bottle.
I go there and shoot.
Bad man, bro.
Let it
go.
Check your gang size.
Alright, bro. No, man. Follow somebody else forward for this. Try that forward.
Yeah, I'm good on this shit, man.
Go, buddy. Oh, yeah, try it. Shut ya.
This shit crazy, bro.
Damn.
That's crazy. Make him pour it tonight, Nick.
Hell nah. He going to pour it in the bottle. I mean, pour it out the bottle.
Put 1 pound up, sir. No, 1 pound, yes.
Bro, me not know.
It look like he hands still in a
Yeah, bro, what you mean? All the them now, me not jump up.
See, man.
You have to unscrew it to yourself. Bro, watch it. Okay, I have a grab his split.
Nice.
Your hair's still shaking. Your hair still ain't get right yet.
Press them down. No, press the wood thing, yeah.
Nah, bro. I'm about to be like my grandma when she go to eat, bro. Nah, I don't like
Parkinson's is sitting there.
No, bro.
Definitely the Parkinson's.
No, bro, I don't. Yeah, take off it up. No.
Nah.
Remember me, just do it too.
No.
Nah, son. How to throw that water, son.
Just flash your water on doing it. Bro, you got that?
You can do it. There you go.
Damn. Yo.
Don't put too much in it. Drink your water.
Try and drink it.
Right. Come on.
Nah, out the cup.
Try and drink it out the cup.
He go.
That shit hurt me.
Alright, watch out now. Wait, no. Put the pan, yes, no.
This nigga trying to experiment. He doing different shit with this shit
Pour
now.
that cup, dog. Try to pour it back in that cup.
Now, what's the one place now, dog?
Why?
Take this nigga out.
Hold up. Shot, Mr. Pussy.
Yo. Pick him up.
Can't say that one, fella.
Hey, yo.
You want yo? That's what me and they go there. They want to call like me. Oh my gosh, bro. You have to try it.
How would it? Yeah, we'll close
try
out.
it one hour, bro.
Yeah, close out, you know.
Hurry up. Alright.
Hell yeah, we got it. We got
Hurry up.
it.
Me so, bro.
We gotta close out.
Yeah, we definitely got it.
Remember, there is some closing out too. So we gotta close out soon. We get some little smooth.
Ja. I don't feel like he's still at Twitch, bro.
Yo,
Yes, on your phone.
Alright, one big done pony up.
Yeah. Phil Tabaki so soft music. Please. Alright, never need to say something.
Come on.
That
No, because we figure it out now. I close the note, I got to know.
That's why I was
Up the buckle and throw in like that and then throw in like cup. Yeah.
This ain't even my phone, so I just looked at it.
Ready, you know?
They was caught up.
What? Let me tell you. So you can't tie up the buckle.
This big set.
Up the buckle and then throw in like cup.
Spider-Man. Don't come in like that. Don't come in like that, bro.
Wait then, we find the next level. Don't move a little bit.
Watch you, I'm gonna creep your back. I'm gonna creep your back. You're fucking. You know this nigga overly fucking strong, bro. All I want, I go, come on. Bro, what? Look now, go on. Look now, go on, bro.
Ain't no way. Was that the highest setting?
Put it all on. Put the same thing on one arm. Put it on one arm. Yeah.
Good job, Nia. Good job.
Excuse me, bro. Pass my phone. Yeah.
Pick your poison.
Come on.
That's my rock. Damn. Since I make a beat.
Touch your hand.
Nigga look like a heartbeat.
Hold on, dog. Hold on, focus. Chill.
So she just boom, boom, boom,
Alright, what me I do now? Yo. Alright, where this I go? Where this I go?
Throw back in that buckle.
No, that can't go.
Throw back in that buckle. Throw back, yo, throw back in that buckle.
Pick up the next one, put it.
That can't go on either.
While they're doing that, let's close out the show. Let's close it out.
One more.
Yo, my head hurt. Everybody. Yo. Yeah, me tell you, Everybody, thank you again for tuning in. This has been another episode of Vice Friday. This your boy, Gallus J.
Not the sour, yo. This shit was funny as hell, yo.
Shout out to the whole gang. And them team. Good episode, y'all, right?
Yo, big shout out to everybody that came through, man. Big shout out to the engineering team, man.
Next Friday.
Birds in the smoke like gamma. Stuck in me head like gamma. Stuff it go chill load up the chala. Young smoke and a bad follow me to saga. If you pull the chalice like that, I'm trying to
Okay, let's go.
Orange way more than that.
If you love it, every life you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you love it, every life you make you mad. Now only you give
I know you're there with Tyra. Money pull up, see that. Come on, stop. But you want me to go and be the best. And I'll be a pretty girl. The girl them know. Pretty girl and such. Stick up them know. When you touch my beer. White
checky. A black guy no say so the beat set. Time at all the thugs no take checky. When you talk, watch your words, you select, watch your step. When you step, call the thugs with the text.